Hello guys, today we will learn about preposition in, on, at, where we should use in and on or at. First of all, you see in. In is used for a country or city. It is used for country or city. On. On is used for street, road. It is used for street, road or floor. On is used for street, road or floor. Or understood? At. At is used for building and places. At is used for building or places. Again, in it is used for country, city. On is used for street, road. At is used for building and places. Now you see some examples. He lives blank India. He lives blank India. India is a country. India is a country. And for country we use in. In. Which preposition? In. He lives in India. Understood? Next one. My school is blank MG Road. My school is blank MG Road. MG Road. This is a road. MG Road. This is a road. And for road or a street, we use on. For road or a street, we use on. So here we use on. My school is on MG Road. On. My school is on MG Road. Next. She works blank the first floor. First floor. That is for floor we use on. For a street, road and floor we use on. She works blank the first floor. For floor we use on. So here we use on. She works on the first floor. She works on the first floor. Next one. They live blank 22 Park Street. This is a tricky question. You see carefully. They live blank 22 Park Street. 22 Park Street. 22 Park Street is a building. Okay. 22 Park Street is a building. And for building we use at. For building we use at. So here we will use at. They live at 22 Park Street because 22 Park Street is a building. So here we use at. They live at 22 Park Street. Understood these things? Next. She arrived blank the airport at 6 p.m. She arrived blank the airport at 6 p.m. Airport. Airport is a building. Airport is a building. And for building we use at. For building or places we use at. So here we use at. She arrived at the airport at 6 p.m. Next one. I will meet you blank the entrance of the mall. I will meet you blank the entrance of the mall. Entrance of the mall. Mall is a building. Mall is a building. And for building we use at. So here we use at. I'll meet you at the entrance of the mall. At. I'll meet you at the entrance of the mall. Next one. The manager is blank his cabin. The manager is blank his cabin. For room or cabin we use in. For room or cabin we use in. So the manager is in his cabin. The manager is in his cabin. Next one. The notice is posted blank the wall. The notice is posted blank the wall. On anything, okay, on the wall, on the picture, on the photo. Here we use on. On the wall. The notice is posted on the wall. Understood? The notice is posted on the wall. Next one. She lives blank 14B Green Avenue. Again 14B Green Avenue. Tricky question. But you see it carefully. 14B Green Avenue is a building, and for building we use at. She lives at 14B Green Avenue. Understood? Next one. The bus stopped blank the traffic signal. We use at. The bus stopped at the traffic signal. The bus stopped at the traffic signal. Next one. There is a new cafe blank Baker Street. For a street or road we use on. Understood? For a street or road we use on. So there is a new cafe on Baker Street. For street or road we use on. So there is a new cafe on Baker Street. Next one. She is blank the balcony right now. She is blank the balcony right now. That is also a floor. Balcony is also a floor. Okay. So for floor we use on. She is on the balcony right now. She is on the balcony right now. So you understood, guys? These things, use of in, on, at. It is tricky, but if you understand these things, you can use in, on, at easily. Once again, I repeat, in is used for country or city, on is used for street, road or floor, and is used for building or places. Understood? Now you can use in, on, at easily. This type of video, you first of all subscribe my channel and watch my videos. You like, share my videos, and you can learn many things. You can learn Hindi or English also. Bye bye.